Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Tonight's video, I'm going to show you how to draw this where you will have no one of the petals are on top of the other or blocking the view because the way we're going to do it. I'm going to put that out of the way. This is how I drew it. I'm going to make an ellipse. Doesn't really matter what size, and I'm going to hit P. I'm going to bring in my indexing line. I'm also going to make the petal itself out of this. I'm going to Control D or hit the plus key on the keyboard and move that over. And then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And we can, you can actually move that, but I nudged it. Now we're going to take this and we're going to left click, right click. I'm going to grab that node right there and I'm going to put it, it doesn't have to be on that quadrant, but I really think it'll help you, because it'll snap to it better. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate. We're going to click on the center and we're going to put it in the center of the page. I'm going to rotate that from that center 22.5 degrees. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take, I didn't do a very good job on the shape. Let me make the shape a little bit better. Let me extend it up a little bit, maybe put a little bit of curve to it. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the rotation, put it there, rotate it 22.5 degrees, and I'm going to get that shape right there. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool on any color. I'm going to nudge it out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and take these and nudge them out of the way. I'm going to nudge this back. I'm going to get my Interactive Fill tool, and I'm going to go outwardly. I'm going to go ahead and put yellow on the top and put an orange near the bottom. And then we're going to bring it down a little bit. Not a very good looking petal compared to my first one, but it'll work. And you can see I've cut that shape out. So now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and move the rotation. If you don't hit that X, you're going to get the shape tool. We're going to rotate that 22.5 degrees and see how now I'm going to Control D again and rotate 45 and then Control D all the way around. Because we made our shape where nothing's on top, that doesn't look near as good as my other one, but then you could I didn't make them long enough, but you could this would be a good one to make we're going to make the petal bigger, but we're also going to, so let's make the petal bigger. And we'll make it out like that. And I'm going to left click, right click, because I need to get rid of that part right there, and we'll put a little bit more to it. I'm going to once again Control D to make a duplicate, move the center rotation in the center. I'm going to rotate it 22.5 degrees. That's pretty good. But I need this shape right here, so I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. Smart Fill tool, what it does, it makes a new shape. See how it cut out for the circle? Now I'm going to put that back, and I'm going to go in and Interactive Fill tool it. This time I'm going to go from the top down, and then I can put orange in the bottom, bring it down a little bit. Now, instead of duplicating it, I'm going to clone it. Go up to edit, and clone. Then I'm going to double click on the rotation and put it there. And then I'm going to rotate it 22.5 degrees. Control D all the way around. Now, if you've ever worked with a clone tool, it's pretty cool because we can't really change the shape in this. And you see this is a control curve where this is a clone curve. Now we could get the Interactive Fill tool back and change this, and all of them will change. See how it's changing all of them? And you could go to your heart's content and maybe put a little bit of orange out here, put another yellow in the middle, and anything you do, that's pretty cool. And then you still have the center. I'm going to take away the indexing lines now. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool, fill that in with that. I got a little bit of a leak. So there is a circle there. So what I can do is grab the circle, hold down the shift key just a little bit, and just move that outwardly, and that should stop it from leaking. Then get the interactive fill tool and just swipe across anywhere, get the elliptical, put it in the center, get your orange, and bring that out and do whatever you want to with it. Pretty cool effect. And then if you bring in a black box, really weird looking. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.